you have to do what you gotta do. What else you gotta listen? You love football, go and play football. Yes, like the show, do what you gotta do, man. Hadong jungi jaka shashem umende. Hadong jungi do ban chong tengen hala Gabi. Hadong jungi kelum kirwai kesel hobayat yamti. Hadong jungi kena samlaki yap nak jing odi. Kena. Yo, what's up everyone? Khasi people Megalia kumno plong paralog. Gabs Gabi back again, peace from Africa, and today is gonna be my first time checking Mejied Kyrpang, guys, having a music here by the title on my blog, guys. So I'm gonna check this guy. I don't know about him, and I hope I will discover another best rapper out here from Shillong, guys. Let's do it. Don't forget subscribe, and you can tell me a little about his talent and what do you know about this guy also. Let's check it, guys. On my blog. Oh, football, sport, farming, gangster, gangship, okay, business people, the kids. I think this music has very important information for us.
I tell a lot the way, stole sex with foreign aid. Sedate the army was meant to protect itself. But with the mental mindset and imperialistic force that they get, you wanna make all of us dead. They turn into this puppet, control with the bigger heads. System of the bigger threats, confused when they're around. They're terrorizing and keeping peace in our town. It gets hit, them disturb the land that we play on. But run. We see them coming up with the gun.
Yeah,
they're too mean and too selfish. They all going to doing this rubbish for the burn. All this madness after you burn. And I was a little kid too, so I said screw the army, cause they don't really have a clue. They don't know what we've been through. Is this the way the school is holding the gun? When you got nothing to say, you think your weapons give you power? With the lightning on the bridge, don't strike the head, it's gonna shake the shit out of you. Fire's gonna burn that hate within you. Are you fighting for your country or for just one man's victory? Cause this is contradictory, we don't shed blood, we coming clean. No mystery, just history of what the past could be. Memories of them beats makes me wanna pick up a gun. Something hard with fun, when we just say, burn them Babylon, cause this is my block, this is.
Okay, let's stop here, guys. I feel like I'm watching Indian Eminem, guys. The guy was rapping so fast. It's my first time, and I just like I like the way he's rapping, and he also looks so unique, guys. He looks so professional, like no doubt, guys. And I love his hairstyle because I feel now, I feel the love from Africa. I feel the inspiration being gotten from Africa. The dreadlock, keep it up, my brother Mejied. All support from. Shout out from Africa. Let's go. Let's go, man.
My block, we do what we gotta do.
Yes, you have to do what you gotta do. What else you gotta listen? You love football, go and play football.
My block, we do what we gotta do.
Yes, like the show, do what you gotta do, man.
Hadong jungi jaka shashem umende. Hadong jungi do ban chong tengen hala Gabi. Hadong jungi kelum kirwai kesel hobayat yamti. Hadong jungi kena samlaki yap nak jing odi. Kena kan degi bi keslaki mendiri. Bani sok kana rus mulai rantan ban mangishan rang kasi hadong jungi. Mun kitip you play tang bapin om syam. Kata ka jing palejing do bakas pakala pantin mala. Haba busin nim tudan, busin di yak warha. Ya yanti ya sengkian yo you pulit kas kita masiem na mat ya datang ya kita ki badap tapla. Ya ki bam don ki le dus mon ki shok ki bok ki trok ka ki mon. Tang bangat tip ya ukpa yang ate unda ya da. Mon kalon ne kelam you nong shot dengan penram. Ke ru tang ba play on kemen ngarang la makan si kum mane ka bakap len du balik u khasi uspok namat usnyu jok ku hadu khong dong ngayat bit tang shirong si surbat si jinglong pi pen pi kho ngam dom ngan ai pen ban ka klika yang namon one in ya pusan is my block, this is my block, we do what we gotta do what we gotta do
what you love to do.
This is my block, this is my block, we do what we gotta do what we gotta do, but we care for you. Kejing berang kebadan kam kena samlat temen sawan telum lang kisur nalar sengin yak ang nyen ruangin chat barong nom smoke tang jing si shangin ai jing pen bang ka jingai to jan cha utrai ba men sim om brai kisi ba khat du ngin gerhu ngin saki yak ka tin chok hok ba ka hok te ka tom du
Kanaki kwasngap kanangin ya tu ka e belajar mencuah mentaro kumju bersang bapin ba bajing bakan dua dawat da tikarabat kena da tu kini stor da tibela kalakur kan tiba sangrang la kau tang shijur dawat da janai berbreak on shy ai tilut hau beri pi on kan ku nom kipa jai jai klat nok ka kuslai ai ngup pulit wai nang ta sabatai ngilong marabek kamai kan pisang im dan pisang iklim ni tok ni syukur pisang dai kabur kala tit akor jingit badon rukan telur tak kawai ngatit kat sap ngalet ku blek usap bat uyai pet ya badon ugit tak hey company sudah kacing
Come from Jamaica, man.
company sudah kacing
I think it's a Bob Marley fan, man. Yo, Mejied, bro, you just kill it. You just kill it, man. The police is here. Here, prayer. What was said there? What was written, guys? Okay, that was something unique, guys. I think this guy is inspired by Bob Marley, guys. I can see the similarity on him and the laugh, guys. This is really something so unique, and yeah, but the way he sing, like, it's just like Eminem for me. I feel like I'm listening to Eminem, and the style, the look also similar to Bob Marley, and it's so talented, guys. So good. I can see like the way he's rapping, so continuous, like it's so professional. This guy is so good and talented, guys. Honestly, I love the music. I think the music has a lot of story and message behind it. Though he was singing both in local language and also English, like I understood little bit, guys, about the gangster and the bribe, and like there is message behind that, which is something amazing. When you sing and you send message, then that is something important, because nowadays people send message through music, guys, and that's something amazing. I love seeing this guy, and it's one of the unique guy I'm seeing from Shillong, guys. The way he look, so unique and inspired by the foreigners. That's something amazing, guys. He's from Africa. Love you all. Keep pushing, bro. You have a bright future. Love from Africa. Till next time.